Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can edit relationships on Facebook. So without any delays, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open the Facebook app on your device and also make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now, since we're on the home page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see a three-lined icon. Tap on it and you'll be led to the menu page. Just below the menu label, you'll be able to see a profile icon with your username. Tap on it and then you'll be led to your profile. Here on the details section, you'll be able to see an edit public details button. Tap on it and you'll be led to this page where you'll be able to edit your public details like your profile picture, avatar and so on. Scroll all the way downwards and you'll be able to see an edit your about info button. Tap on it and then you'll be led to your about page. Scroll downwards on this page until you see the relationship section. Here you can see that my relationship status is engaged and public. Now in order to edit this, tap on the edit button and you'll be led to this page where you'll be able to edit your relationship status. Now tap on this drop down menu and you'll be able to view all these options to change your relationship status. Here I'm going to tap on the single option. Here, if you tap on this public drop-down menu, you also can change if you want your relationship status to be public, private, or only for your friends to see. Here, I'm going to choose the second friends option, since I only want my Facebook friends to view my relationship status. Similarly, if you'd like to remove your relationship status, all you'll have to do is tap on this remove button. But if you'd like the relationship status to be saved, tap on this save button. And now you'll have successfully edited your relationship status on Facebook. So it is that simple, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.